Go, Michael!
We're going on a boat ride, and I'm super excited, and smash like if you're excited. We've arrived at our destination, and I hope we can catch some fish.
A few minutes later.
Up. Here, over here. Bring him over here.
So great.
There he is.
Nice! You caught a flounder.
All right, Michael. Look at
Yeah, Mike!
Turn around, huh? All right, Michael.
Go, Michael! First fish on.
My mom's fishing down there, and I'm fishing out here. Hopefully we can catch something. My mom caught something. What'd you catch? What'd you catch? Oh, you caught a flounder? Hey! Good job, Mom. Nice. All right, nice. That's two. That's two fish. Nice. We've arrived at our next destination. Right next to this huge thing. What is it called? A barge. Thank you, Mom. We caught a shark.
Yep.
Oh my God.
I'm going to take him home. I'll put him in the grill.
Caught a shark. Look at it. Whoa.
Nice! Awesome!
Hold him. Just take him.
Oh,
Just
no.
take him. All right, don't drop him.
Nice! Awesome! All right! Come on down here, bud. Okay. Gotta get him up to Grandpa where he can reach him.
Alright. That's four. I'm gonna get closer. Four? Nice. I'll call him Charlie. Oh, we got him.
Okay.
All right, there he goes. We see his face. We got him.
Ready?
Ready?
In the water.
Yep.
2, 1. Booyah.
Bye-bye.
Soda break. We're heading back now because we were fishing for 3 hours and we caught 4 fish, right? 2 sharks and 2 flounders. We're gonna start going really fast. It's gonna be awesome. Fast. We made it back home. Guys, so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.